कामगार आणि रोजगार मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन शेनवारा उद्योगिक प्रतिष्ठानाच्या GM आणि HR अधिकाऱ्यांकडेन बसका घेतली। बसके उपरांत पॅनल डिस्कशनां जाली। राज्यांत रोजगार सोदपी आणि रोजगार दिवप्यां मदलो अंतर सोपोवपाच्या दिकेन सरकार पावल मारता म्हण ह्या वेळार मंत्री खंवटेन सांगला। आरडेक्स खातीर परवरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस।
Employment scenario is being seriously looked at from the government side. Last 1 year, जे issues आम्ही plan केल्या in terms of handling employment, that plan is coming into existence now. One is लोकांक opportunities मेळच्यो. Government cannot keep on doing job creations. It has to look at opportunities for our goals to be here and get opportunities here. आणि अशें न्ही की opportunities ना. ताज्या खातीर job fairच्या माध्यमांतल्यान allowing the employers to put their stalls, allowing the youth to participate directly, where the direct connect can help get into jobs. Job भुरग्याक मेळप ताजी समज कमी पडटा ती आमी एनालिसीस करता की whether the skill requirement what was there for the respective job is done or no. तो गॅप कितें आसा तो पळयतले आनी आज आमी दवरल्या इज अ मिटींग विथ द HR. काल भुरग्यांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली तांचे ऑनलायन फॅसिलिटीज दिवन they have come for the job fair. Today we are taking a meeting with the HR where we also have a panel discussion among industries, industrialists and from the union side so that it represent the employees. Interface एक माध्यम तातूंतल्यान उलोवन एक वाट काडप की एम्प्लॉयमेंट सिनेरियो कसो करप. How do we bridge the gap between the skill requirement and the job requirement? How do we bridge the gap between the job seeker and the job giver? ह्यो थोड्यो गजालींचेर सरकारान कडक म्हणजे लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स वी हॅव टू एक्चुअली अप्लायड आवर माइंड इन सीन वॉट नीड्स टू बी डन. IT एनेबल्ड सिस्टम्स घेवन फाटली डेटाबेस तयार सारकी करून घेवप, एनेबलिंग सिस्टम्स टुगेदर वायल डुईंग ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज. वी हॅव एक्सपेक्टेशन्स फ्रॉम HR टू पार्टिसिपेट अँड गीव लोकल एम्प्लॉयमेंट अ प्रायोरिटी. इट कॅनॉट बी की लोकल भुरगो ताका जॉब फेराक येता म्हणून कमीची सॅलरी दिवप, भायल्या भुरग्याक चड मेळप. दीस आर डिस्पॅरिटीज विच आर बींग डिस्कस्ड इन द मार्केट अँड दॅट आय थिंक वी नीड टू एड्रेस इट जॉयंटली. So discussion with the industry, the thoughts of the government needs to be shared with the industry, and that same way we need to understand what is the problem of the industry when they employ Goans. Bigger MNCs which are present in Goa, may it be pharma or anything, we always talk about गोंयकारांक opportunities मेळना आनी तांकां भायर वचचें पडटा. So हो कसो करचो ताज्या संदर्भात हे सगळे इनिशिएटिव्ह सुरू केल्ले आसा. The year-long calendar will have lot of job fairs, lot of more opportunities. Labor Department, Labor Inspectors, Assistant Labor Commissioner, Labor Commissioner, I think all these guys have regrouped, motivated themselves to ensure that they are able to drive this particular thing. आणि मुख्यमंत्र्यांचे एक जे विचार आसा की एम्प्लॉयमेंट सिनेरियो वी नीड टू टॅकल एट ग्रासरूट इज द सेम विजन विच वी कॅरी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट अँड वॉन्ट टू एन्श्युअर दॅट दीस पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट इज मॅक्झिमम हँडल. कित्याक खंयचेय राज्य आमी वाडयतले जाल्यार यूथ ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री शूड गेट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज. आनी हें सिंक्रोनायझेशन जावपाक फक्त जॉब फेर केलें म्हणून सोंपना. ताज्या खातीर जें ताका कितें करचें पडटा दॅट ऑल इनिशिएटिव्स आर बींग टेकन बाय दिस डिपार्टमेंट. आय कॅन प्राउडली से दॅट इन द लास्ट 1 year वॉट एवर एक्सरसाइज वी हॅड डन, that process has started and we expect the HR of this various company representatives to come to understand the government expectation in terms of employing, in terms of skilling, in terms of providing training for the youth, which is not only directly कित्याक the university जी आमकां graduation जाता through various colleges forums is not directly addressed to the job requirement. तो skilling gap कसो करप हे थोडे विचार उलोवप जातले. आय एम ओनली व्हेरी पॉझिटिवली टेकिंग दीस थिंग अहेड टू एन्श्युअर की आमचो गोंयकार भुरगो गोंयां व्हरून बरी सॅलरी मेळून बरो जॉब मेळून आनी ते वायड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज गोंयांत तयार जावच्यो ह्या हातूंतल्यान आमी पॉलिसीज जशे तयार करता तशेंच वी आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज फॉर द गोवन्स हियर.
Any certain restrictions in this rules or regulations will be put up on these HRs, especially when you talk about job seekers and job givers and to the goans at large?
You can't run business through, it's a ease of doing business is what we expect. Industries, when we call industries which have resources in the state, we expect industry to participate and reciprocate by giving priority to the Goan youth. And that is something which we are looking at, ensuring that Goan youth gets a priority in the job sectors which they are there. आमचे भुरगे बरे आसा टॅलंट पूल जरा तयार करूया, टॅलंट पूल आसा तो वापरुया आनी इंडस्ट्रीक एक नवी दिशा दिवया जातून गोंयकार भुरग्यांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळपाक इट हॅज टू बी अ रेसिप्रोकल पार्ट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, academia and the government, and I think this is being worked out. It's not a one-day process. It will take a little while, but the initiatives have started, and we expect in the coming days, each commissioner is personally monitoring this, so I expect these things will be done. I am personally monitoring each initiative, so we will put things in place. And म्हाका दिसता एस the assembly session, there might be something on the budget speech from our honorable CM, who has been trying to do these things for quite some time.